Hi, this is Courtney with MHN Property Management. I'm going to show you how to schedule a self-showing for one of our rental properties. So I'm going to start on our website right here, mhnproperties.com, and I'm going to go to All Rentals, Homes for Rent, and then All Rentals. Here, before you get started on the process, it's really important that you qualify, you have the documentation to qualify, and you know what our expectations are. So you might want to start by looking at these application screening criteria. You can look at them at the link right here. When you're ready to apply, here's that Apply Online button. So let's get to scheduling a viewing. So here's a property that's right here. Let's see. Oh, this is a great one. Let me give this one a shot. I want to try out this property. So I'm going to schedule a viewing. And I'm going to put my information in. I spell my name. Okay, continue to next step. I will say it's really important to put correct information in here because if we have any questions or we can reach out to you and give you more information, this is how we're going to let you know. Okay, so I'm looking to move. Just so you know, we can only hold a property for 2 weeks after an approved application. So I'm going to just pick a 2-week in the future date. If you're looking to move in like 3 months, it's not going to let you schedule. You're going to have to call the office in order to do that. But like I said, you're only allowed to hold it for 2 weeks. This isn't the lease agreement. It's just give us an idea. I'm going to bring one animal. And I'm going to do income from employment. And I'm just going to pick a number here. I'm going to go through. Okay, I'm going to answer my questions. At least one occupant has been evicted. No, thank you. One occupant has filed for bankruptcy. Nope. Been convicted of a felony. No, thank you. Has a judgment filed. Nope. So I can continue to the next step. And I'm going to put my animal is a small dog. And it is a terrier Chihuahua mix. He is 7 pounds and about 4 years old. And he's a little rescue mutt, my favorite kind. And then how did we hear? I saw the interactive for rent sign out in the front, or I was on Zillow or wherever I was. And anything else you'd like us to know. This is really helpful. It allows us to give you maybe help redirect you or make sure that we answer all your questions. So you can put your questions here. Is there a page in property and we're moving from out of state or whatever it is that your story is you'd like to add. So I'm going to do submit my info. Do we make enough money? Yeah, we just did. Okay. I make sure I know 3 times the monthly rent and verifiable income. Verifiable income is the really important part here, that you're able to give me third-party information, not a note from your employer. Anyone can write that. But information, pay stubs, and other things. So I have that. So I'm going to do my photo. If you do not have your driver's license, it will not let you go forward. So I'm going to upload and continue. You can just take a picture with your phone. Let's see. So now I'm going to schedule. And so today, it's already dark outside today. So let me go for tomorrow. And I'm going to see what time is available. So this is really shooting for daylight times. And I'm going to shoot to go before work tomorrow. So I'm going to go at 8 a.m. See if I can get that done. Okay, perfect. So I've now scheduled. This is great. So the next thing to know is that you are now going to start getting text messages at the phone number that you put in. Another reason that phone number is so important. It does need to be a mobile phone that you can use for text messages. And so this one is going to allow you to go. You will follow the instructions in your text message. You will go to the property and put more information from that property key box into your phone. And you have to do it during the specific time. If you do not go during your assigned time, it will not let you in. So make sure you go during your specific time. Again, this is not an appointment with a person. This is a self-showing, great in COVID times. And you'll go find the key box. It is usually on the front door or on the side hose bib are the two places to look for it. And follow the instructions in that text message series. You can text. We do monitor those texts. It will be a little bot texting you, but we do monitor them. So if you have any other questions, we will reach out for you as well, or you can give us a call. So voila, that is how you schedule a viewing at one of our properties. And I hope that was helpful. Thank you. Take care.